The joys of the bath. Bath time is a wonderful opportunity to bond with your baby. It's a special time where you can create lasting memories and strengthen your connection. It's a time for gentle touch, playful splashes, and quiet moments of connection. These moments are precious and help build trust and love between you and your little one. For your little one, it's a sensory experience that can be both calming and stimulating. The feel of the water, the sound of splashes, and the sight of bubbles all contribute to their sensory development. As a new parent, you might feel a little daunted by the prospect of bathing your delicate newborn. It's natural to feel this way, but remember, every parent goes through this learning phase. Don't worry. With a little preparation and practice, you'll be a pro in no time. Each bath time will become easier and more enjoyable as you gain confidence. Before you begin, it's essential to gather all the necessary items. This includes baby soap, a soft washcloth, a towel, and any toys your baby enjoys. This ensures a smooth and enjoyable experience for both you and your baby. Being prepared means you can focus entirely on your baby, making the bath time more fun and less stressful. Having everything within arm's reach allows you to focus on your little one and respond promptly to their needs. This organization helps in maintaining a calm and safe environment. Remember, safety is paramount when bathing a newborn. Always check the water temperature to ensure it's just right, not too hot and not too cold. Their little bodies are still developing and they need extra care and attention. Handle them gently and be mindful of their delicate skin. Always support your baby's head and neck and never leave them unattended in the water, not even for a second. Your presence and attention are crucial for their safety and comfort during bath time. Gathering your baby bath toolkit. Just like any good adventurer needs the right gear, you'll need the right tools to make bath time a success. Having the right items on hand can make the experience enjoyable and stress-free for both you and your baby. First things first, you'll need a baby bathtub. This is essential for providing a safe and comfortable space for your baby during bath time. Choose one that is small and shallow, designed specifically for newborns. These tubs are made to support your baby's tiny body and keep them secure. A bath support can be helpful to keep your baby in a secure position. It ensures that your baby stays in place and reduces the risk of slipping. Next, gather soft, absorbent towels and washcloths. These are crucial for gently cleaning and drying your baby's sensitive skin. You'll want to have a couple on hand to dry your baby quickly and keep them warm. Having extra towels ensures you're always prepared for any spills or accidents. Choose a mild, fragrance-free baby wash and shampoo. These products are gentle on your baby's skin and help prevent irritation. Baby skin is delicate and prone to dryness, so avoid harsh chemicals that can irritate their skin. Opt for products specifically designed for babies to ensure their skin stays soft and healthy. Finally, don't forget a cup for rinsing and a clean diaper and change of clothes for after the bath. Having these items ready will make the transition from bath time to bedtime seamless. Having everything prepared beforehand will make the process much smoother. A well-organized bath toolkit ensures that you can focus on bonding with your baby rather than searching for items. Bath time, a step-by-step guide. Bathing your baby can be a delightful bonding experience, but it's important to follow some essential steps to ensure safety and comfort. With your bath station prepped and your little one ready for a splash, you're all set to begin this soothing ritual. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to make bath time enjoyable and safe for both you and your baby. First, fill the baby bathtub with just a couple of inches of warm water. The water level should be shallow enough to keep your baby safe. Use your elbow to test the temperature. It should feel comfortably warm, not too hot or cold. This ensures that the water is just right for your baby's delicate skin. Gently lower your baby into the tub, supporting their head and neck with one hand. This helps keep them secure and comfortable. Use the other hand to wash them. Make sure to be gentle and use a soft washcloth or sponge. Start with their face, cleaning their eyes with a damp washcloth from the inside corner outwards. This helps to avoid any irritation. Then move on to their neck, making sure to clean all the little folds where milk and sweat can accumulate. Next, wash their chest, arms, legs, and bottom. Be thorough but gentle, ensuring all areas are clean. Rinse your baby thoroughly with the bath water, making sure to remove all traces of soap. This helps to prevent any skin irritation. Once you're done, lift your baby out of the tub, supporting their head and neck. This ensures they feel secure and safe. Finally, wrap them snugly in a towel, making sure they are warm and cozy. This helps to keep them comfortable and dry after their bath.